If you're starting dropshipping this year, chances are Zendrop has popped up on your radar. It promises fast US shipping, seamless integration with Shopify, and tools that supposedly make dropshipping easier and more profitable. But is it actually worth it? In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what Zendrop is, its key features, pricing, and how to get started. And most importantly, whether it's the right platform for you. Let's dive in. So first off, what is Zendrop? Zendrop is a done-for-you dropshipping platform built for e-commerce sellers who want a cleaner, faster alternative to AliExpress. It connects directly with Shopify and lets you import products, automate fulfillment, offer US-based shipping, and even customize your branding all in one dashboard. Whether you're brand new or looking to streamline your current store, Zendrop is designed to save you time and help you scale faster with fewer headaches. Let's get into some of the key features and then I'll show you around the dashboard. So Zendrop's feature set is designed to make dropshipping smoother, faster, and way less overwhelming, especially for beginners. So let's go ahead and walk through each core feature in detail so you know exactly what you're getting into. So first off, one-click Shopify integration. Right after signing up, Zendrop connects seamlessly with your Shopify store. You don't need to mess with code or third-party apps. It's literally a one-click integration. Once your store is connected, you can start importing products directly from the Zendrop dashboard and manage everything in one place. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're juggling a lot of moving parts or still getting your store set up. Next is the massive product catalog. It's for US and global fulfillment. So Zendrop offers thousands of products in various categories, from home goods and electronics to beauty, fashion, and pet products. You can filter products by shipping country, niche, or even supplier type. The biggest advantage here is that Zendrop works with the US-based suppliers. So if you're targeting customers in the US, you can offer 2 to 7 day shipping, which is a huge edge over AliExpress. You also have access to international fulfillment options if you're scaling globally. And if you don't see what you're looking for in the catalog, you can also import any product directly from AliExpress using Zendrop's Chrome extension. Now let's talk about the AliExpress product import tool. This feature is especially useful if you're already doing your own product research outside of Zendrop. Just install the Zendrop Chrome extension, grab the link of any product on AliExpress, and Zendrop will import the product into your account. From there, you can edit the title, description, variants, pricing, and push it straight to your Shopify store. It's a clean way to use AliExpress without relying on their inconsistent fulfillment. Next is the automated fulfillment. Once you make a sale, Zendrop can automatically fulfill the order for you. No manual input needed. It processes the orders, ships the product, and updates tracking info all without you lifting a finger. If you're scaling or juggling multiple orders a day, this feature is such a game changer. You can even toggle auto fulfillment on or off for specific products, which just gives you more control as you grow. Next is the custom branding. So this is available on the Plus plan. And if you're trying to build a brand and not just run a generic dropshipping store, this feature is gold. With the Plus plan, Zendrop lets you add custom logos, branded packaging, and thank you cards. Even insert instructions or product guides into the packaging. This adds trust, increases perceived value, and helps your store stand out in a crowded market, especially on platforms like TikTok where aesthetics and unboxing experiences really matter. Next, let's talk about real-time order tracking. Zendrop provides tracking updates as soon as the order is shipped, so you and your customer both get access to real-time tracking links, which reduces support tickets, refund requests, and confusion. No more customers DMing you with the "where's my order?" They'll have everything at their fingertips. 24/7 customer support. Zendrop's live chat and email support team is available around the clock. If something goes wrong with an order, a refund, or a supplier delay, you're not left in the dark. Unlike some platforms where support feels like shouting into a void, Zendrop actually has a responsive team that helps you resolve issues super fast. This can be the difference between a 1-star and a 5-star customer experience. Zendrop Academy and weekly coaching calls. This is only on certain plans, but this is a big one, especially if you're new to e-commerce. Zendrop includes access to their own dropshipping course, which covers everything from store setup to product research, marketing, and scaling. You also get access to weekly live coaching calls where you can ask questions, get feedback, and learn strategies that are working right now. Think of it like getting mentorship baked into your software subscription, but instead of dropping thousands on a guru's course. Next is the Zendrop AI product recommendation. So Zendrop recently rolled out an AI-based feature to help you discover trending or untapped products based on your niche, performance, history, and store data. The AI will suggest products with high potential so you don't have to spend hours scrolling or guessing what to test next. It's especially helpful when you're in a testing phase or trying to find your next winner. Lastly is the built-in profit calculator and variant editor. So when you're importing a product, Zendrop automatically shows you the cost, shipping fees, and lets you set your sales price so you can see your profit margins in real time. You can edit or remove product variants like sizes or colors, tweak the descriptions, and organize the products into Shopify collections right from the dashboard. It's clean, fast, and saves you from bouncing between tools or spreadsheets. sheets. Now let's look at what the pricing and plan options look like and take a view of the dashboard. So if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. If you use our link, you can actually get 50% off for 1 month. You also get the e-commerce courses so you know exactly what to do, automatic fulfillment for hands-free delivery, live weekly coaching calls, and $200 in order credits. If you scroll down, you can see this is the bonus plan that we just talked about. I did just want to highlight a couple of other things here. So they do have a free plan. So this is just access to the products and 24/7 support. Next is the plus plan, and this is $79 per month. But again, you can get that 50% off if you use our link. So with the plus plan, you get access to over 1 million products, 24/7 support, $100 in order credits, unlimited orders, custom branding, feature items, print on demand, Zendrop AI, and so much more. And then they do also have a pro plan, which is the $49 per month. And with this plan, you get access to the products, 24/7 support, you get unlimited orders, custom branding, automated fulfillment, request a product, and US products. Okay, so the plus plan is the most popular. So let's go ahead and try that for free. So what you want to do is create an account. So you want to type in your first name, last name, email, and a password. And then once you're in, you will be prompted to connect your Shopify store. So if you already have one, you can do that, or you can go and create it with AI, or you can just build your own store manually. But I just wanted to walk you through this dashboard. So as you can see, this is where all your fulfilled orders would be. You can see an overview. You can go ahead and filter by time. You also can look at orders to fulfill. This is where you can find all of the products. So you can go ahead and search. You can also filter from ships from anywhere, all categories. If we want to go baby and toddler, we can search all of that. We also can search by pricing range. You can filter by suppliers. So it's very intuitive and easy to use. Once you save your products, they will show up there. This is where all of your orders will be, and you can again filter by auto fulfillment, daily fulfillment, and again branding. So these you do need the upgraded plan, but this is where you can go ahead and change all of your branding. You can request a product, trending products as well, Zendrop Academy, as well as Zendrop AI. And then this is the print on demand section where you can look at the catalog to create your own product, as well as some other templates here. So it's very intuitive and very easy to use. Okay, so now that you understand the key features, you know the different plan options, you know how to get the best price possible and what the actual dashboard looks like, let's go over some of the pros and cons. So starting off with the good stuff. It's extremely beginner friendly. The UI is clean, intuitive, and easy to learn, even if this is your first store. There's fast US shipping, which is a huge win over traditional AliExpress delays. The branding potential, once you upgrade, you can start creating a real brand instead of just being another drop shipper. Also the hands-on fulfillment where you can automate everything from the order to delivery with one click. And then the reliable customer support. So Zendrop's support team actually responds and helps you resolve issues. And then lastly, the education built in. The Zendrop Academy can save you from wasting money on overpriced guru courses. Now, some of the downsides. So higher product and shipping costs. The faster the shipping, the higher the price. So you'll just need to adjust your pricing strategy to protect your margins. Limited free plan. So it's great to test out, but it's definitely not sustainable for actual growth. Now, shipping prices can vary. Sometimes what's listed isn't what you end up paying. Make sure you always test before launching. And then the saturated product catalog. So a lot of Zendrop's trending items are already overused by other sellers. So you definitely need to do your own product research. So is Zendrop for you? I highly recommend using Zendrop if you're targeting US customers and want to cut shipping times, or if you're new to dropshipping and want a plug and play experience, or if you're tired of AliExpress headaches and want something more reliable. Definitely look into it if you're looking to build a long-term brand, not just chase viral products. But on the other hand, I would definitely skip it if you're trying to start with zero budget, and if you're only using AliExpress and don't need fast shipping or branding, and if you want total control over your supply chain and prefer working with agents directly. So at the end of the day, Zendrop is one of the best beginner-friendly platforms on the market, especially if you care about branding, fast shipping, and automation. It's not the cheapest option out there, but you're paying for speed, simplicity, and a smoother experience overall. If you want to check out Zendrop, again, that link is in the description for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build, grow, and scale a successful e-commerce business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.